Pick up 2 paper towel holders from Dollar Tree and a couple of wire baskets as well. Starting with one of your paper towel holders, take it outside and paint it any color you like. Using a removable wall hook, also from Dollar Tree, stick it to the wall beside your toilet. Rest your paper towel holder on it and you have instant toilet paper storage that's sleek and out of the way. You could set that same paper towel holder on a dresser or table and use it to store your hair accessories. I'm using it for the 1,000 scrunchies I have. Remember that second paper towel holder we got? Using some plastic zip ties, attach both of the wire baskets to each of the paper towel holders. Cut off the ends and take it back outside for a final coat of paint. Now you have beautiful and functional storage for a bedroom, bathroom, or anywhere that just needs a little tidying up. And all for a few bucks from Dollar Tree.
Head over to the dollar store and grab some baskets. Grab 2 dish stacking racks and place them overlapping each other. Grab some white zip ties and place them onto the dish racks. Pull the zip ties tight, cut off the excess zip ties. Hang this vertically on a wall, roll up some towels and place it in between all the legs of the dish racks. You now have a way to hang and place your towels in a bathroom. Grab some shower curtain rings and hang them on a rod. Grab the hooks of your jeans, fold them in half, and place them onto the shower curtain rings as an easy way to hang your jeans. You can also use this same concept by putting the handles of your purses into the shower curtain rings and store your purses. You can also hang your shower curtain rings onto a hanger and then place your tank tops onto the shower curtain rings to keep them organized. Need a way to store your flip-flops? Grab a basket, place your flip-flops in a V formation into the basket. Once you have them all into the basket, place it on a shelf. Grab some wire baskets and some shower hanging hooks. Place 4 shower hanging hooks in the corners of one of the wire baskets and connect those to another basket above. On the top basket, you'll repeat the same process. Place this in your closet, hook it onto the hanging rack, and use it to store several different items. I started by painting the crates with some white apple barrel paint. Once the crates were dry, I went ahead and slid them onto the hanging rack. I hung these over my door and now I have an easy grab station.
You're gonna love these genius organizing hacks using 5 containers I found at the dollar store. I found this little clear jar with a lid. It's intended to be a candy jar, but I thought it would also work so well for organizing dishwasher pods under my kitchen sink. If you find these little book bins at the dollar store, they can be used for so many things beyond books. Turn them on their side and fill them up with water bottles. This makes it so much easier to grab a bottle. You can quickly see everything at a glance so you're not digging through the whole cabinet, and nothing will get lost in the far back, never to be seen again. If you're hosting a party, look for these little caddies the next time you're at the dollar store. The 3 compartments in this caddy are awesome for organizing all kinds of things, and I have 2 ideas for you today when you're hosting parties. Another way to use this caddy during a party is as a little holder for your s'more supplies. Carry it outside to the campfire and you're all set for a night of making s'mores around the fire. If you're tired of your kids constantly asking for snacks, create a snack bin using one of these large tubs from the dollar store. If you tend to buy snacks in bulk for the whole month, this is a helpful way to make them last longer and ration them out week by week instead of them all being eaten in week 1.
The Dollar Tree is full of hidden gems when it comes to organizing, so I headed to my local Dollar Tree to see what I could find. Next, I headed over to the tool and hardware section and picked up this plastic hardware storage case. At home, I gathered all our hair accessories that were in random places and added them to the container. All the little rubber bands, bobby pins, clips, and other accessories fit perfectly, and now it's all in one easy-to-find spot. In the cleaning section, I grabbed this mop and broom holder. At home, I removed the backing and stuck it to the inside of my vanity cabinet door around the middle of the door. I wrapped up my hot tools and hung them. They're now out of the way, which is perfect for my small bathroom. I headed first to the office section and picked up this wire letter organizer. I placed it on a bench in my living room near where I had a power strip plugged in. I plugged in several chargers, then filled the organizer with my laptop and a couple tablets. It turned this empty bench into a wonderful charging station for our home. I grabbed this plastic flower holder in the floral section, then I added some black rocks I found in that same section to the bottom to weigh it down. I added my makeup brushes, and now it's the perfect DIY makeup brush holder. In the kitchen organization section, I grabbed a couple of these wine bottle holders, then I used them to help organize water bottles and mason jars in my cabinet. They're great quality and almost identical to the ones I brought from Amazon. In the back to school section, I found these little storage containers that have a snap-on lid. They're perfect for helping me organize my supplement, tea/coffee cabinet. The smaller container was great for storing my drink packets, while the larger one helped with extra tea bags. Now that cabinet is much more organized. I picked up this plastic vanity organizer and knew it would be the perfect piece to help organize the center console of my car. I added hair ties, travel, a leave, lotion, loose change, and more.
Grab some clear shower rings from the Dollar Tree. Grab 3 large plastic storage bins from the Dollar Tree. Evenly add and connect shower rings to each side of the storage bin on the top and the bottom to connect additional storage bins, and use the shower rings on the top for hanging it to the closet rod. Now you're able to take advantage of the vertical space with this hanging storage. Grab 1 10x8 and 2 6x4 acrylic photo frames from the Dollar Tree. Remove all of the paper and plastic packaging from the frames. Add some glue to the edges of the back of both of the smaller frames and then adhere it to the larger frame. And now you have an easy and modern acrylic sunglass holder. Grab some cabinet shelves from the Dollar Tree. Line up cabinet shelves side by side and straighten out the legs if necessary, and then add some zip ties to the legs to attach everything together. This makes for a perfect shoe rack for both kids and adults. Grab some pegboards from the Dollar Tree. Start by gluing 3 square pegboards side by side. Next, create some dividers by adding some glue around the edges of one of the square pegboards, the bottom of both of those, and sticking it to the base. Now you have a sturdy shelf divider to use for clothing or accessories. Grab 2 pegboards and adhere them together, and then add some pegs. This makes for great storage for hanging and storing all kinds of jewelry. Grab some removable hooks from the Dollar Tree. Get a hanger and adhere the hanger hooks either using the packaging instructions or using some glue. Now you have attached hanger hooks to easily attach additional hangers with clothes to save space or match sets. Grab 2 broomsticks from the Dollar Tree. Grab 2 of these mop and broom holders. Grab 4 8x10 canvases. Start by detaching the canvas from all of the frames. Then glue 2 of the wood pieces from the detached canvas together. Then glue the back of the mop and broom holders and add that and adhere it to the wood pieces. Then lock in a broomstick on both sides of each of the mop and broom holders. I hope these Dollar Tree organizing hacks help inspire you to create some organization for your space.
To start this project, take a paper towel holder and some zip ties from Dollar Tree. Loop the zip ties around the paper towel stand one by one, evenly spaced and secure in place. Go all the way up the stand with zip ties. Take scissors and cut off the excess of the zip tie. Use a mini hot glue gun to add little dots of hot glue to make sure the zip ties stay in place. Cover the entire stand with gold spray paint and allow plenty of time to dry between coats. When the stand has dried, place it in your desired location and use it as easy storage. For project 2, take a clear adhesive hook from Dollar Tree and a paper towel holder. Add toilet paper rolls and you have easy and inexpensive toilet paper storage. Place scrunchies and hair ties over the top and you have an easy and cheap storage solution.